All right, guys, we got a 2014 Honda Accord, 2013, 2017 is the same. Even further, going further is about the same. Even 2003 Ford Accord, same setup. We're gonna change all these arms. It's camber, caster adjustment here. We did the opposite side. I'm gonna show you the kit we got. There you go. This is what we put in this baby. There you go. And we got a whole bunch of bolts we bought from the dealer just in case we need to cut anything. But SPC Performance parts right here. You're gonna have to get 2 boxes, right and left. In here, you're gonna have a control arm, another control arm, trailing arm, and a third control arm. And it's gonna come with some bolts. There's a lot of instructions, but what we do is we measure these to the old ones, same size. So we're gonna remove 1 bolt, 2 bolt, 3 bolt, 4 bolt. We're gonna mark these right here. Got my permanent mark right here. So we'll mark this little guy, and what I'll do is I'll put marking right here to this dot in here. Most likely these are not gonna come out, and let's see if they come out. We're gonna mark this guy right here, and we might not change them all, but let's see how it goes. So we're gonna start with taking off this bolt right here. It's a 17 millimeter. Go. Washer, just make sure you put the washer the same direction. Make sure, like I told you, mark these. So I'm gonna hold the back end with the 14. There you go. And we got a movement. Perfect. There you go, this bolt is out. Usually they won't come out that easy, but we worked on this before. And this guy comes out. Save it. We're gonna bang this little guy right here with the hammer. Let me see if I could do it from right here. There you go. This is gonna bother us. Is it? Yep. So we're gonna have to remove this also. Let's get this baby out. 14 millimeter, and it's 14 millimeter or 17, whatever that is. 14. Go, it's losing out. There you go. We'll keep them separate. Got one more over here. Okay, once we release that, that came out, so we're gonna put that arm in first. We're gonna need the bolts. What we're gonna do is we're gonna put the bolt through here. Where's the second bolt? You want to use this. So this is going to help us bring it to this perfect level. There you go. Take this little guy back into the car. Okay, so do you hammer? Yeah. Here you go. Alright, or just hold it in place. Move your fingers. Nope. It's Just gotta open up a little bit. Okay, I use this pry bar. Ready? Stick it in. Get this side in. There you go. Okay, so I'm gonna take this alignment bolt. It's kind of a little too high. Can you help me here? Wait, no, don't tighten it yet. Don't tighten it. Can you hold this right here?
Yeah, hold it. Let me put up. Okay, wait, sync, wait. Wrong side.
Okay, we're at the wrong side. Come down on it. Pull it, pick it up a little bit. There you go. So this baby was sitting right there. Okay. Right. Okay. And bouncing.
Right there. Put it here. Here now. Here now. Here in.
It's sitting against that. It's sitting off. Where's my 14? Where's the 14 wrench? So we're gonna have to turn this a little bit. Okay. Okay, this is right here. That's where the marking is. Wait, washer. This little guy needs to sit like that. That perfect spot. Okay, that was just a work on one. Move your finger. I'll hold it. Just make sure. Okay, there you go. Perfect spot. I'm gonna hold it right there. You're gonna have to pull this side in a little bit. You hear me?
Hmm?
This is not where it's supposed to be. Hold on. Wait. No. Okay, so we're gonna.
Right there?
Yeah, lock it up. Nope. Lock it up a little bit. Put the gun on a little bit. Just enough so it's not bent. Let me check the other side. Alright, this side is
What is the way where you need it?
right there. Got it.
Yeah, that's good.
Alright. This is
Here now?
you lock that up. Alright, so that's it. We're done with that. We got 2 more to go. So the next one is right here. 17 millimeters. You may gotta put the impact on more. Put the impact on. There you go. Now we need our second bolt here. Put it right through here. We're gonna bring it to the same length, and after that you could do all the adjustments you want. Perfect. There you go. Perfect. There you go. Make sure you catch the threads. Same thing on this side here. There you go. 17mm nut on the opposite side. This little guy goes right here. And perfect. This is 14. Here you go. Here you go. Here. So you can adjust here and here, and we want to do adjustment here also. So it'll be the last one. So 14. And if 14 here, you don't need to hold the other side. It's welded on nut on the opposite side. There you go. Perfect. Same thing, we're gonna measure these. So you could use the new bolts if you want, but those was just in case. We need this now, right?
Yeah.
Do we? No. Go for the other side. Okay, measure everything, make sure it's nice and lengthy. There you go, perfect size. And once you're done, you're gonna have to hit the alignment. All right, so we'll put this in first. Make sure you catch the threads. And then same thing on this side. You want me to take the side off? Perfect, and we're gonna need the 17 nut. So here's the nut. Go ahead. Set. Last bolt. There you have it. Thank you for watching my video, guys. Make sure you got alignment, and we're all done here. See you guys on the next one. Same thing on this side. We did exactly the same thing. So here's the part number. They're both the same thing. SPC, Special Product Company. And there's the other one. They're both the same thing. Right and left is the same thing. One last thing. You can't leave none of these bolts, these nuts loose, okay? So once you're done adjusting, you gotta lock them up like this, okay? You gotta lock it up so that way it can't move anymore, okay? You gotta lock it up nice and tight so it can't move no more. But my friend still wants to make the adjustment. We're gonna leave it loose for now. There you have it. But we are gonna lock them up before the car goes on the road.